Cindy. What are you for Halloween? What do you have on? What are you? Are you a ladybug?
Who's the big sister?
You have wings on?
Wings.
You're Luella Luella the ladybug. Say happy Halloween. Yeah, say trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Can you jump? Jump, jump, jump.
Show us how you jump.
Jump over here. Look. Over here. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Try it again. Jump.
Yay! Let's see Lennox on his first Halloween. What are you wearing, Lennox? You're a skeleton! I promise, we aren't evil people. It's just a hand-me-down costume, and it's free. Happy first Halloween, Lennox.